Friends, this is the window of the virtual server that we have been installing. Since the previous video, we installed the virtual server in the first video. In the second video, we have installed a GUI on the server, and in the third video we saw how to install SSH, how to install XRDP, FTP, everything and other things on the virtual machine. This is the laptop machine, the window of laptop machine. I am going to give you a demonstration of how it will work, how things will work. So let us start with the first demonstration of SSH protocol. So we will say SSH test1 at 192.168.0.120. If you recall, the laptop's IP address is 192.168.0.110, and the virtual machine that we installed in the previous videos, that IP address is 192.168.0.120. So I'll connect to that server. Well, I have connected to that server. We'll see the directory listing. This is the directory listing of that directory, of the user's directory on the virtual machine, virtual server. Let's clear this. You can create a file here if you want. You can say touch test file. The file is created. You can see there is the test file that you can see here. The third last file is the test file that we created. Okay, let's log out of this. To log out again, you have to do Control D. Okay, now let us also check if FTP connection works. So we shall say FTP 192.168.0.120. So we are trying to connect to the FTP server that is running on the virtual server that we had installed. Well, the username there is test1. SMK user doesn't exist there. So we'll say we have logged in. We'll see the directory listing there. You can see the directory listing. You can also see the test file. The second last entry is the test file that we had created. Now let's get the test file. Let's say mget test file. We'll say yes. Well, opening binary data mode communication. Test file is an empty file, so 0 bytes. The file could be fetched from there to here. Okay, let's quit this. Let's clear the screen. And now let us test the XRDP server that we had installed on the virtual machine. So we shall say our desktop minus A16, that is we want 16-bit color depth, 64K colors. We want full screen operation, minus F. We'll say 192.168.0.120. Well, the user there is test1. The password we have to give. And you will see now the entire screen of that virtual machine will come here. There it is. Now we can also try and start the Firefox web browser on that machine. It is not working on the laptop, it is working on the virtual machine. You can see it is working, right? So let's close this Firefox window. Let us see what all are the files that are there in the home directory on the server. So let's see the files. We should be able to see our test file. Can you see the test file is here? It is very much here, right? So we are going and connecting to the same home directory. All right, let's close this. Let's say log off from here. So let us say log off. Log out from this machine. Excellent. We have logged out and we are back to our laptop window. So there you see, this is where the cursor now shows the remote machines window, and this cursor shows the laptop's window. That's the demo that I had today. If you have liked the content, please like the video, please share the video, please subscribe to the video. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you very much.